What's up, boutique babies? Welcome back to Sharon's Nail Boutique. Hey, at the end of this video, if you enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. So welcome back and welcome if you're new. Please do not forget to hit that like button at the end if you enjoy, and smash that subscribe button if you are new here. So nice, gotta say it twice, you know what I mean? So getting into this Amazon unboxing and review. Yes, another one. This one is from that company I told you guys about, from Aishaba. Here goes those cool directions. You get some in every box. Pretty much know how to go about removing. Other tips and tricks. I always recommend that you look over these directions though every single time, because you never know, each company might have different directions. Of course, you get these, well, not of course, because not every not container, but not every box comes with all these goodies. So you get these dual forms. You get this awesome file here, 100/180 grit hand file. You get a brush with their logo. That's a nice touch, because that does cost extra to put your name on stuff. Nice little brush. Not sure it's Kolinsky, probably not. It looks to be synthetic, but still worked great. I already removed my previous set. You get a base coat in here, a top coat, and these are UV LED, and they are 10 ml bottles. I did notice that they don't have too strong of an odor. There is a slight odor, but it's not bad. It's not unbearable. The top coat and the base coat were a nice consistency. They were not too thick. They were not too thin. Not like the previous one from Moravan, where the base coat was super thin. But one thing I did like about that kit was that the top coat was super shiny. So here's your 6 colors. They are not named, but you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. You get a gunmetal gray, a silver, a gold, a pink, a blue, and a green. And these colors, I'm gonna swatch them for you, not only on my little towel here, but we're also gonna do some designs on our nails. Our thumb is gonna be an ombre with the pink and blue, and we also do a full nail of the gunmetal gray, and then we do additional ombres on the last 3 nails using the dark gunmetal gray at the base, and then the last 3 colors over the top of it. So yeah, I ended up actually getting some of this stuff on the bottle, so that's why it looks a mess right there. But these are your 6 gorgeous diamond reflector colors. How freaking cute are these? Seriously. So I'm just gonna go in with a generous amount of base coat because my nails are long. So I actually ended up cutting them down after this video. So the next video that we do, which is a Burano video, that's all I'm gonna tell you. It's gonna be amazing. I love Burano products. So moving forward, this brand actually is a like sister or brother brand to LANFO, and that was our shamrock set. I don't know if you remember that video. If you do not, I will leave the link to it in the description index below. But that, again, that product as well was really amazing to work with. Just like this one, I had so much fun using these polygels. I love the diamond reflecting shimmer to it in the light. Oh my goodness. And the light is so much more, like, look at the silver on that towel right there. You know, granted, some colors are more shiny than others, but they're all so pretty. I highly recommend you picking this kit up. This kit was only $15 or $14.99. So I think with tax it came out to like 16 or 17 something. Right now they are $16.99. So if you are a Prime member, I would highly recommend picking that up. Even if you're not a Prime member, I think they're still like 20 bucks or less. So either way, this kit is definitely worth it. The hand file itself is great quality, and a lot of times you get with these cheaper kits, like the files will be so flimsy. I know SXC is another brand that I love, and I'm not sure if it's pronounced SXC or sexy, because if you think about it, the SX, you know, sex without the E, but and then the C. So it sounds like it, sexy, you know, kind of. But anyways, not to get too off track there, but look at how pretty this pink looks over the blue. So this nail, I was gonna do ombres on the last 4, but I actually ended up, you know, like, I was like, you know, I like the whole ombre look with all these colors, but I want to do a full nail of this gunmetal gray because I wanted to give it its glory it deserved. You know, I was actually surprised because you see how I put polygel on all 4 nails, which you probably, I wouldn't recommend that unless you're not a beginner. If you're more intermediate and you've been doing nails for a really long time, then that's, you know, whatever. But for beginners, I wouldn't recommend doing something like this just because polygel, yes, although it's really thick and it likes to sit where it's at, they do run sometimes. And I learned that the hard way with this product, where my pointer finger ended up, because I had it like hanging upside down, it actually dripped off, which I was so shocked by that because normally polygel just stays put. But since I had my finger upside down the entire time doing, you know, the rest of my nails, it kind of dripped off. So learned my lesson. But I ended up actually going in with a full nail of the gunmetal gray, I believe, on my pointer finger. And then those last 3, I just did the ombre with the gold, the silver, and the green over the tops. So I really enjoyed doing these. I loved how these looked at the end. I really enjoyed just looking at the shine, and top coating over them is the best part. I did not encapsulate these. I kind of wish I would have, but this kit did not come with a clear, unfortunately, and I really wanted to see these products in their own glory without any other products tainting them, you know. So not tainting them, but, you know, mixing in together with them, you know, because you never know. Then by that point, you don't know if it's the clear that's making it look good or if it's the product itself. And I really wanted to show these off in all their glory by themselves. So that's what I did. And, you know, once I was done doing these bottom bits, I put them in the lamp. And then see, now I'm coming in and doing, I ended up changing my mind at this point and ended up going in with a full nail of that color on the pointer. And this was probably the only color out of this entire kit that didn't really give that super shiny reflection like the other ones did. So I was kind of a little disappointed in this darker gunmetal color, but it still has a shine. It's just not as reflecting as the other ones in the light. But I love the entire kit. I would give this kit a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars. Honestly, I would. The box was cute. Very, very sturdy, just like the other LANFO box. They're made the same way. Top coat and base coat, super on point. I like that they put UV LED. There isn't a no wipe sign on there, but they are no wipe. Other than that, their bottles were basically full, which on my next video, or the video before this, if I put it up before this, they were not full, and I was very disappointed. But I'm just going in now with this cuticle bead here to build up my apex since I'm not encapsulating these. So this is important because with polygel, a lot of times if you don't play with it properly and you don't push it into place, like, and keep it up at that level, and polygel is easy, but it's tricky at the same time because it wants to go wherever your brush is going. So if you're pulling on it, a lot of times that whole product will come with you unless you know what angles and where to place your brush and feather it down. Yeah, that product is going to come along with you for the ride unless you know what you're doing. And that's why you see me here kind of just playing with that bottom portion up there and not the entire bead. Cleaning up around my edges, and then we'll put them in the lamp now. Now we're going to come in with our top color. So it'll be the green on this one, silver on the next, and then gold on the pinky. And I'm going to leave you all here because there's not much left to the video, just me patting this all into place. I really, really hope that you all enjoyed this unboxing and review. Let me know what you think of this product itself, if you like it compared to my other ones that I've shown you. What do you think? Is there a better diamond reflector polygel kit out there, or do you like this one better? Let me know your comments down below, and as always, I will leave the links for any of these products in my description index below, along with some other nail goodies. So make sure to be a doll and smash that like button, and make sure to subscribe if you're new here. I would love to welcome you to my newest boutique babes. I just love talking with all of you. I love you all so, so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, because I always subscribe back to everyone that subscribes to me. It sounds crazy, but that's my promise to you all. And I always respond back to the comments. Most of the time, same day. Sometimes it may take me a little longer if I don't see them right away, but I always respond back. So yeah, I love you guys so, so much. Really, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for being here and showing me your love and support. If you've made it this far to the video, love that silver. So reflecting. Like, that was the brightest one, I think, besides the gold. Anyways, love you all so much. I will see you in my next one. Kisses and hugs. Don't forget to love each other and yourselves so, so much. Just spread that love around, guys. Pay it forward. Other than that, though, that's all I have for you today. I really, really hope that you all enjoyed this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Until my next one, boutique babes. Bye now. Have a great day.